Good morning to all. My name is D. Nagaraju Yadav. I am assistant professor in CSC department in Kale University. Today I am going to discuss cloud in the cloud security, very important topic, that is storage security. In cloud storage security, what is a HIDPS? So in this host, the full form of HIDPS, okay, host intrusion detection and prevention system. So the aim of storage security, especially HIDPS, is to protect their integrity and confidentiality and availability of data stored in computer systems and storage devices. So the availability of the data which are stored in the computer and storage devices, and then confidentiality of the data and integrity of the data. So it needs to protect the, so this is the system, intrusion detection and prevention system. So here storage security refers to the protection of the data stored in various storage devices, for example hard drive, hard disk and solid state drives and network attached storages. So ensuring that storage of the security of storage data is critical to safeguard sensitive information, prevent unauthorized access, to mitigate potential threats. So one aspect of the storage security is to implement of host intrusion detection and prevention system. Whereas come to HIDPS is a host based intrusion detection prevention system is a security mechanism. It is very important one in providing the security. So it is very important concept. It is provides the security. This mechanism designed to monitor and defend against unauthorized activities. Unauthorized activities means stealing the data, like that. So potential attacks on the host system and its storage devices. So this all these things. So storage security in this protection of data stored in various devices. Okay, sir. Then this host based intrusion detection prevention system, it is a very important technique and mechanism. It operates by analyzing the behavior of the host system, and also it is a interaction with the storage resource. So it identifies and responds to suspicious and malicious activities in real time, aiming to prevent and mitigate potential damage. So this can host based detection and prevention system can detect various types of attacks. So on the cloud, in cloud, so many attacks are happening from the third parties. So all these various types of attacks, including unauthorized access attempt, data breaches, malware infections, all files manipulations, all these types of attacks, it can detect. So the HIDPS host based intrusion detection prevention system, so it can detect various types of attacks. So what is the benefits of host based intrusion detection prevention system? So this mechanism, it enhance the overall security postures of storage devices, storage systems, actively monitoring for potential threats and taking proactive measures to prevent unauthorized access, data compromise. So rapid incident response by providing real-time alerts and automated response capabilities. HIDPS enables a quick identification and mitigation of security incidents and reducing the potential impact on storage data and system integrity. So this one, whereas come to in the compliance and auditing, this HIDPS helps organizations meet regularity compliance requirements by maintaining detailed logs and records of security events. These records can be used during audits to demonstrate the adherence to security policies and procedures. So here we need to remember these points. So proactive threat detection. This mechanism employs advanced technologies, okay, that is anomaly detection and also behavioral analysis. So these are to identify emerging threats and zero-day attack that may go under untrusted, okay, undetected by traditional security measures. So need for intrusion detection prevention system. So this intrusion detection is required nowadays because the primary purpose to identify and report an intrusion can quickly contain attack and prevent mitigation loss or damage of data. So detect and deal with preamble, okay, preambles to attacks. Data collection allows the organization to examine what happened after the intrusion and why. So serves as it detected by increasing after fear of the detection. It can help the management with the quality assurance and continuous improvement. So the types of intrusion detection and prevention systems. So in this, so this one HDPS operates a network-based, host-based system. Network-based IDPS is focused on protecting network information assets. Okay, wireless IDPS focus on wireless networks. So network behavior analysis IDPS, this one examines the traffic flow on network in an attempt to recognize abnormal patterns. So like that here IDPS, this can operate on network based. So network based means this mainly focus on protecting network information assets. Next wireless IDPS, okay, and then network based analysis IDPS, okay, like this. See this one IDPS example, this figure, see this is one structure, this here host based IPS, this examines the okay data in the file stored on the host and alert system administrators of changes. Okay, so untrusted network, this is the external routers, okay, this is the data, okay na, packet flow, this is packet flow, and then here when I come to network IDPS, this examines the packet on the network. Network IDPS, this examines the packet on the network and alert administrators of unusual patterns. So like this. So this is a network. So host based IDPS, so resides on a particular computer or any server, okay, that is a host server, monitors activity only on that system. So benchmarks and monitor that status of key system files and detects when intruder creates and modifies detects files. And also advantages over NIDPS, like can access encrypted information traveling over network and make decisions about potential actual attacks. and also the most HADPS networks, okay, HADPS works on a principle of configuration or change management approach. This advantage of the host-based intrusion detection prevention system can detect local events on host system and detect attack that may elude a network-based IDPS functions on host systems, where encrypted traffic will have been decrypted and is available for processing, not affected by use of switched network protocols. And it can also detect inconveniences, okay, in how applications and systems program were used by examining records stored in audit logs. Okay, the advantages whereas come to the, if we discuss disadvantages of the HADPS here, pose more management issues, vulnerabilities both to direct attack and attack against the host operating system, and also does not detect multi-host scanning, so or scanning of normal network devices, okay, susceptible to someone device attack. It can be used large amount of disk space. It can be used insufficient performance overhead on its host system. Log management, whereas come to log management, here log management refers to the process of collecting and storing, analyzing log data generated by various systems, applications and devices within IT infrastructure. That is called log management. See, log management, it includes the process of collecting and storing, organizing the data generated by various systems and applications. See, logs are nothing but records of event. Logs are nothing but records of event and activities and system information that provides valuable insight into operations, security of organizations, of environment. So this log management involves centralizing logs, okay, centralizing the logs from different sources like servers, network devices, databases and applications into unified repositories. So here this centralization enables easier access, okay, searchability, analysis of log data, facilitating troubleshooting, security monitoring and compliance reporting and forensic investigations. It will helpful in log management. Log collection means log management system gathers logs from diverse sources including operating system, network devices, security appliances and databases and applications. Logs can be collected using various methods, that is agents, system logs, log forwards and APIs. Next, log storage. Coming to log storage, connected logs are stored in a centralized repository. Typically, log management performs a security information and event management. So a log may be stored in their original format or transferred into a standardized format for easier analysis. Next come to log analysis and search. Here log management system provides powerful search and analysis capabilities to exact meaningful insight from log data. Administrators and security analysts can query and filter log based on specific criteria for correlation analysis, identify patterns, anomalies that includes, okay, that inculcate, okay, potential security incidents or operational issues. Next, altering and notifications. In this, here a log management platform can generate real-time alerts and notifications based on predefined rules and thresholds. This helps security teams identifying the critical events or indicators of compromise promptly and takes appropriate actions. Next, compliance and reporting. Here, log management plays very important role in meeting regulatory compliance requirements. It alerts the organizations to generate reports, okay, then audits logs for compliance violations and retain log data for specialized is nothing but here retain their data for a specified period as mandated by regulations. The benefits of benefits of log management. Here improved security monitoring and operational insights and compliance and audit readiness, forensic investigations. Okay, these are all advantages of the benefits of the log management. Improving security monitoring. Improved. So log management provides visibility into system and network activities, enabling the detection of security incidents, unauthorized access attempt, suspicious behavior. It helps the identify potential threats, aids into incident response, forensic investigations, operational insights. So log analysis helps administrator to identify the system errors, okay, performance bottlenecks and operational issues. Next, compliance and audit readiness. Here coming to here, log management assists in meeting compliance requirement by providing a centralized performance to collect and store and report and log data. Okay, here forensic investigations also. In this, log data serves as a valuable resource for forensic investigation after security incidents. So log management facilitates the retrieval and analysis of historical log information, okay, aiding in incident reconstruction, root cause analysis, mitigation of future risk. Okay, so this is about log. Okay, log management. Next, data loss prevention. Data loss prevention. Okay, so here data discovery and classification. In this, data loss prevention solutions can scan, analyze the repositories to identify the responsive information. So they use predefined rules, regular expressions, machine learning algorithms to detect and classify the data based on its content and context metadata. So next, policy enhancement. So here data loss prevention policies defines the rules and actions to be taken when sensitive data is enforced. Okay, na? So policies can include preventing data transfer unauthorized devices. Next, log files. Here log files, here Symantec data loss prevention generates various log files that capture the important information regarding the software behavior. See, these log files can be categorized as operational log files and debugging log files, okay, installation log files. So like that we have so available audit logs, okay, data access audit logs, okay. So like that we have so audited operations. See, the following summarize the with API operations correspond to each audit log type in cloud DLP. So audit log file format. This is the audit log. The audit log entire includes the following objectives. That is the log entry itself, the log entry itself, which is an object of log entry. Useful field so includes the following: log name, log name consists of the resource id, audit log type, the resource contain target of the audit operations, timestamp contains time of audit operations, the prototype payload contains audit information, audit logging data. So which is an audit log object helps in proto payload field of log entry. So this is about entirely log data loss prevention. So we have some policies: data discovery and classification, and data policy enforcement, log files, operational we are, and also here we use available data. So this is about in this class. Thanks to all.